All right, so today is day 2 of the Ichigo blood chains piece, and so far what I did was I got Saitama and I got Link, and I kind of kit bashed them. I basically used most of Link's body and Saitama's head just so I can have a nice understanding. The stand came from Alphonse from the Full Metal Alchemist, Nendoroid, and then the sword, the Shikai, so far is about halfway. I got my 3D pen and I started the project. It's a lot of work with a 3D pen, but it's definitely worth it. It's gonna look amazing in the end of it. Right now, some of the problems I'm running into are the sizing. I don't know how big to make the Shikai. Um, and then from once the Shikai size is pretty much nailed down, that's pretty much it in terms of major problems I foresee happening. Maybe the hair is going to give me an issue, but then the horns are going to be perfectly fine. Then I'm thinking of finding some like clear 3D printing filament so I can do the flames around Ichigo's neck and I can do the flames on his feet. Also, I have to think about how I'm gonna do the lighting, if any, because I was thinking about running LED lighting to it, but we'll see. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think when you see this video. If you're seeing it in the future, thank you for watching, and as always, take care. Happy sculpting. I will see you